Which of the following subject is not listed in the 11th schedule of Indian Constitution? Answer A. Kanji House. Under which of the following Indian Constitution Article 20A was inserted? Answer B. 86 Constitutional Amendment Act 2002. Choose the wrong pair. State number of assembly members from the following options. Answer D. Punjab 150. In which article of the Indian Constitution the definition Gram Sabha? Answer C. Article 243A. Which one of the following is not mentioned in the Constitution of India to setting up? Answer A. Niti Aayog. Under which article the fundamental duties are enshrined under the Indian Constitution? Answer A. Article 51A. Franchising is? Answer B. A form of licensing. Impeachment of President can be initiated in which House of Parliament? Answer D. Either House of Parliament. Which part of Indian Constitution deals with Union Territories? Answer C. Part 8. India has taken the concept of judicial review from which country's constitution? Answer D. USA. How many fundamental rights are there in Indian Constitution? Answer C. 6. If the president wants to give up his resignation, who will give his resignation? Answer C. Vice President. What is the ratio of the length and breadth of the national flag? Answer B. 3:2. In which year the last fundamental duty has been added to the Constitution? Answer D. 2002. Which among the following in the Constitution deals with the administration of the tribal areas of the northeastern state in India? Answer C. 6th schedule. Which of the following has the sole authority to control the expenditure of the union government? Answer D. Parliament. State land reform is under which schedule of the Indian Constitution? Answer A. 9th schedule. An Indian citizen can lose his citizenship by dash. Answer D. All the above. To whom can a case of dispute in the election of the President of India be referred to? Answer A. Supreme Court of India. Which is a house where the chairperson is not the member of that house? Answer C. Rajya Sabha. Finance bill of the Indian government is presented in? Answer C. Lower house. Who has the right to transfer any case anywhere in India? Answer A. Supreme Court. If the President of India wants to resign, he has to address the letter of resignation to the? Answer C. Vice President. The provision of the 6th schedule shall not apply in which one of the following states? Answer B. Goa. In which of the following article the right to create a cooperative society is described? Answer A. 19 AC. In a parliamentary form of government? Answer D. The executive is responsible to the legislature. The vacancy of the office of the President must be filled within. Answer C. 6 months. How many state union territory in India have unicameral legislature system? Answer C. 24. The head of the Indian state is. Answer A. President. How many members can nominate by the President to the Rajya Sabha? Answer A. 12. Which President died during his term at the office? Answer C. Dr. Zakir Hussain. The President of India do not have which among the following? Answer A. Qualified veto.